Toyota Hilux came in 2016 with a new 2.8 turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The manufacturer announced that the new engine had 177 horsepower and 332 pounds-feet of torque. Now, let's see its real power in our dynamometer. By analyzing the chart, we can see that this truck has 165 horsepower and 318 pounds-feet of torque. We will show you now the power gain this truck can get by using DigiPower's V7 Kit. The DigiPower V7 Kit is easy and fast to install. It is not necessary to open the ECU or any other mechanical changes. It is 100% plug and play. See the difference in our dynamometer. The results were excellent. The power supply reached 218 horsepower and 405 pounds-feet of torque. When the truck reached 3,700 RPM, there was a power gain supply of 60 horsepower. Your truck can do more with DigiPower products.